Is it harder to get out of a DeLorean when it's raining? I don't know about that. Now, normal car doors immediately expose you to the weather. With the Gullwing doors, you're instantly shielded from the rain, giving you ample time to pose like a rainy day action star while all the other humans fumble for cover. Slowly gather your belongings and get your umbrella ready for action. Scoff at the very idea of using an umbrella, cause you drive a DeLorean, and exit with a smoldering look of wet leather. And most importantly, prepare a rainy day picnic sandwich, while again the pedestrian folk scurry about. Now, I'm not suggesting Gullwing doors are better than regular doors. I'm stating it as a fact.